Off the cuff video. So if you want to grab a slice of this $1 trillion AI business, this train that is leaving the station very quickly, and you feel like you're losing grip of how to make money with AI, how to monetize what you're currently doing, or how to use AI so you could fire employees or not have to hire anybody, and you're just downright confused because you see everybody like talking about it. You see it on the news. You see it everywhere in business. And then you sit back and you wonder, like, man, this all sounds cool, but like ChatGPT gives me information. Like, how do I monetize that? Or like, where is everybody monetizing this AI gold rush? And so my question to you is this. You want to build a business online, and you have a lot of choices: affiliate marketing, e-com, marketing agencies, so on and so forth. And maybe you've waited, or maybe you've tried and you failed, and you watch every guru under the sun. And so this video is one of the most important ones that I'm just doing off the cuff, no script, no teleprompter. Literally just ran in here to do it. And I literally ran into, they were painting, and I ran into it. I didn't even have time to change because this is that important. If you are looking to get involved in grabbing a slice of a pie that is going to be in the trillions, I highly suggest you watch this video till the end. It's not going to be long, because what I have to say is something that I'm building and is coming to fruition very soon. There will be a link that you can get on a wait list for something that I'm building, for a training that I'm building, and for a walkthrough of your biggest opportunity. I want to tell you to forget affiliate marketing, e-com. I want you to tell you to forget everything other than working with businesses, because the opportunity right now is so big. And I know what you're saying. You're just another one of those gurus that is promising things. And I get it. I get the skepticism. And so I'm going to put a link down in the description and pin it in the comments. It's just going to be a link to a one-page website landing page that I built in 14 seconds. Hint. And for you to get on a wait list, so I can send you an email, okay, when this is ready. Now, I also suggest, if this is the first time on this channel, I've been in the marketing space since 2012. Prior to that, I was a teacher in a high school. Okay, I was able to retire a few years after starting my marketing agency, started coaching people, thousands of them, since 2017 until, I'm still doing it today, right? And I did a training in my private Facebook group, and if there's any LMV students here, you can attest to it, what I shared. We'll keep it at that. And I think everybody's jaw was on the floor, as was mine when I started playing around with this months and months and months ago. So the marketing agency opportunity, yes, is bigger now than ever, but you can't just keep doing the old stuff that you were doing, okay? I'll give you an example. Just in the last 2 days, by implementing what I'm going to be asking you to get on the wait list for, I've made $4,000. Now, look, I've been in this game for a long time. You're not going to make $4,000 in 2 days. And by the way, barely trying to do it. And so I don't want to promise the world, but what I will promise you is you will be shocked. And there is no other guru that is going to show you, because I've checked on the internet right now, that is going to show you what I'm preparing to put together. I am putting in 12 to 18 hours a day, and I'm going back to the time in 2014 when I saw this opportunity and my wife said, run with it. I got the kids. You go do it. Well, she just said something similar to me about 3 days ago when I showed her what I was doing, just kind of like bragging about how cool this is. And she looks at me and she's like, go do what you got to do. Now is the time. I have goosebumps. I don't know if you can see them on my arm talking about this. And so I will work my butt off for the next month to get this opportunity and training together. I don't even know if I'm going to charge for it. I don't even really care, because ultimately, in the end, let's change some lives. And so click the link that's pinned pinned here and in the comments if you are interested in. By the way, this is only for people who are interested in building a marketing agency. Now, when I say marketing agency, I'm talking about web design, even if you don't know how to do that or never even thought about doing that, creating ads, reputation management, every single service you could think of, creating a chat bot. It doesn't matter what it is. With AI, a 10-year-old could run this business. And I'm breaking it down in the simplest chunks humanly possible. And this is why it's taking me so long, because I had to dive deep into it. You've noticed on my channel, what have I posted in the last 3 months? Like one video yet last week or 2 videos? It's because I can't do more than one thing at a time. It's just who I am. So again, let's break this down into so you understand simply. You want to build a website and charge $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 for it? Well, you can make $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 for 30 minutes of work. Do you want to set up a Facebook ad campaign for a local plumber that is going to convert like crazy? You could do it in 15 seconds. Do you want to create a compelling pay-per-click campaign? Know what to say, know what the headline is, and never question whether it's going to convert? Click the link in the description and down below. And by the way, insert after I say, if you want to, insert anything you want to say, and then add seconds or like nothing less than 30 minutes to that project. And you could have it up, running, and monetized in minutes, not weeks or months. And if you're a coach watching this, oh boy, I got something for you as well. Like, subscribe, and comment. Off the cuff video, no thumbnail, no editing. This is it. Coming out to tell you guys what I've been doing. And if you want a piece of it and you want a slice of it, you can put your name and email in the forum on the page the URL down below. And you can stop trying to learn this stuff by piecing it together watching YouTube videos, because it is frustrating. I'll put it all together for you. Paid, maybe. Free, maybe. In the end, who cares? You just got to know this information. See you on the next one.